Okay, I got this 2003 Toyota Corolla. The air conditioning isn't blowing on it as good as it was last year. You can check the refrigerant in them and see if that's working, and I already did that. The refrigerant's fine, so I think it's an air filter issue. So I went down and I bought a new air filter for I think it was like 10 bucks, and this is a cabin filter. We're gonna show you how to swap out the cabin filter and see if it'll make any difference for us. So first we need to come into the passenger side of the car, and our cabin filter, as it's called, is going to be right behind the glove box. So let me squeeze in here, and what we're going to do is undo there's little tabs on the sides, so we just want to undo these tabs here. Just kind of pull in on the glove box and get it to come loose. Let me set this down here. So that's gonna come in, and then the whole glove box can just slide out. There's a little spring-loaded actuator that hooks right into here, but if you look underneath here, turn on my flashlight, we've got these little tabs right here. We're gonna undo a cover for the cabin filter, and we're gonna pull this one out. Oh yeah, look at that, completely clogged up, dirty. Looks like it's even been hitting the fan, which has probably been causing it to not spin and blow very good. So we'll take the old one. You can see the color difference there. We've got the old one and the new one, and we'll just take the new one, and we just slides right into these grooves where the other one was. There's a, sorry, I think I put it in the wrong way. Right into the holder there. There's a upside to the fan, or to the filter, and that just sits right back in there like that. And then we put the cover back on, just like that, and voila, it's changed. And all I have to do is close it back up, and it'll seat right down in there. There we go. Now we changed the cabin filter, and let's see if it works any better. Okay, just started it up, and yeah, you can hear that. Well, nice and cold now, lots of air. How to change the cabin filter, all of like 3 minutes. Easy.